In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Leonardo AI. This is a fantastic way to personalize your images, whether you're creating content for social media, designing a digital poster, or just adding a personal touch to your photos. So, let's dive right in and get started on making your image truly yours. First, you need to open up the Canvas editor. If you're already in Leonardo AI, this part is easy. All you need to do is click on the generated image you want to work with. Once it's selected, look for the option that says Edit with Canvas. This will take you directly into the editing workspace where you have a variety of tools at your disposal. Now that you're in the Canvas editor, it's time to add some text to your image. On the toolbar, you'll find the Text tool. It might look like a classic T icon, which is pretty standard in most applications. Click on that, and you'll be able to start inserting your desired text onto the image. This is where your creativity can really shine. Whether you want to add a witty caption, a quote, or just some informational text, simply click on the area of the image where you want the text to appear and start typing. Once you've got your text in place, the next step is customization. This part is crucial as it ensures that the text complements your image perfectly. You can adjust the font to better suit the mood or style you're going for. Perhaps you want something bold and striking, or maybe a more elegant, script-like font. In addition to font options, you also have the ability to modify the size of your text. Make sure it's easily readable but not overwhelming. Striking a balance is key here. Don't forget about color. The color you choose for your text can influence the tone of your image. A bright color might stand out and grab attention, while softer hues will blend in more subtly. Additionally, you can reposition the text to ensure it's located exactly where it feels most natural and aesthetically pleasing. After you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to save your work. This step is simple, but very important. Make sure to save the edited image to ensure all your creative adjustments are applied and preserved. This way, your image with the newly added text is ready to be shared or kept for your personal collection. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily add text to your images using Leonardo AI's tools, customizing everything to look just right. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to experiment and have fun with different text styles and placements. Until next time, enjoy creating and transforming your imagery with personalized text.